about this spot? It's pretty primo for $5. Was it worth the whole day of driving? Daddy?
Yeah, I guess so. It's good for tonight. I'm tired of driving. It's pretty cool.
Rocks.
Little ones. You have to use little ones. That's what skips. That just sprays water. So we came down here to do the whole Twilight touristy thing in Forks, and oh my gosh, look what God gave us. We were so frustrated yesterday after 4 of the spots that we tried to find were all full, or we couldn't fit, or whatever the case was. We went down and tried to find another forest road, and it was nothing like this. There was a little creek that it was by, and so I was telling Ross, let's just stay. And he's like, no, let's just go back to that place we found. Let's just see and just, you know, regroup for a night. And then, God is amazing.
Mommy, look, I made a fishing pole. This is how I cast batteries.
What are you making?
A fishing pole, so I can pretend to catch fish, but I don't actually really have bait. So I'm just pretending.
Okay, throw it.
Here we go. Look out. Here we go. Fake fishing. Who knew it was such a hit? Oh, Emmy must have thought she already got something.
Glowworm.
Yep.
And let it go. But it's like pins and needles on my back.
Under a bridge. Whenever.
Woo! It's Chilly Willy.
Cool. There we go.
Oh, look at you.
Isn't that cool? We're walking way down there. We've got
Dad, I can roll
our
it.
suits and our tubes. And we're gonna go ride down the river again.
Here, Coley.
Keep going on the rapids.
Hi, Daddy.
Come on! There you go. Look here, guys. Wave. We're going down. We're waving too. Mm-hmm. Okay, go.
3, 2, 1.
Doesn't that look like a bear or something? Come right out of those woods and wave to me. Yeah. What if a bear wants to come out of there? Or down there?
of a kraken it's come from.
Go slow, babe. Are they blackberries or blueberries?
They're, I highly doubt you're spraying anything back here, so these are,
Blackberries!
well, I mean, I'm saying there's no pesticides or anything.
Give one to Chloe. Honey,
Blackberries. He's holding a bag of carrots.
what do you think, Reagan?
It's a
Good?
little sour and sweet. Good. Mommy, here.
It's really good. Say goodbye, River Spot. Goodbye. Goodbye, blackberries. There are blackberries all on this side and a little bit back there, and then all along the drive, all the way up to the front. They're so yummy. We're here in Forks, Washington, where they filmed Twilight.